If you want to free up your iCloud storage and delete some photos, but don't want to lose them from your iPhone, this tutorial will show you how to delete photos from iCloud, but not iPhone. Part 1. Does deleting photos from iCloud delete from iPhone? Deleting photos from iCloud does not automatically delete them from your iPhone. However, if you have iCloud photos enabled, deleting a photo from iCloud will delete it from all devices connected to the same iCloud account. Part 2. How to delete photos from iCloud but not iPhone. Not all photos. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on your Apple ID, choose iCloud. Tap Photos, and then turn off iCloud Photos. Go to iCloud.com using a browser on your computer or mobile device. Then log in using your Apple ID and password. Go to the Photos area, select the photos you wish to delete from the iCloud, and then press the Trash icon. To save your time, you can also choose a moment and click the Trash icon to delete photos concerning moments. Part 3. How to remove photos from iCloud but keep on iPhone all photos. To manage iCloud storage efficiently, consider using Mobikin Assistant for iOS. This tool helps you back up or transfer photos to your computer before deleting them from iCloud, ensuring your images are safe. Download and install Get Mobikin Assistant for iOS from their website. Install it and open the program. Connect your iPhone to the computer via USB. Trust device. If it's your first time connecting, tap Trust on your iPhone. The software will automatically detect your device. Transfer photos. Choose Photos as the file category and click Export to transfer them to your computer.